Who is a real Indian? Is a real Indian a North Indian? Or is a real Indian a South Indian? In fact, our country is divided by North India and South India. In fact, people like me who are from the East, when we go to the North, people say you are a South Indian. When you go to the South, people say you are a North Indian. There is nothing called as West Indian and East Indian. So, my dear friends, somehow we have divided the country into North India and South India. And not just in our country, every country you go, there's always a North and South divide. And by the way, you don't have to worry about it. But let's see, what can we do? Now, when you ask me, what can we do? The first and foremost thing, we have to repeat what we have done on 22nd January. On 22nd January, when Ramji's pran pratista was happening, we were all together. There was no North India, there was no South India, my dear friends. We were all celebrating together. That's the need of the hour, my dear friends. So no more North Indian, no more South Indian. If you're a North Indian, love South Indian languages and the culture and the food. If you're a South Indian, try loving the North Indian languages and food and culture. Appreciate each other and make sure that we are together and we contribute to the country. Be a real Indian. Happy Republic Day. Bye-bye.